My wife and I, we did this job 3 years ago with a bunch of other people.
No, 2018. No, 2019.
2019, we did this roof. And this is now 220, it's like 4 years already.
Almost 4 years.
4 years. And here's the results. This is the amazing part. I want to show you the results. We use Super Silicone Seal on every screw. Now, look at, very clean, no cracks. You can see any screw, how the Super Silicone is still sealed around every screw. But, give me a rag, sweetheart. Even the seams, we did Super Silicone. Look at it. Look at it. It's very, very clean. This was a very bad roof. And you can see the Super Silicone, no cracks, works fantastic. Look at that, after 4 years. Here's a clip. Let me give you a clip so you can see the process, what we did. Just a few seconds of a clip. And then we added the Super Silicone. So it's very simple. You just dab your brush, dab it like that, and you're done. But this is after you grinded it and cleaned it. Done. Okay. Look at the fasteners. Look at it. Unbelievable. We cleaned it, and this is the result. It's sealed all the way around it. All right? That's the best product if you want. Here's the problem with latex. Watch. The coating, entire roof was coated. It has, look at the water coming out. See? See all the water? And look, the roof, nothing wrong with it underneath. There's not. Why they coat the whole roof? It makes no sense. So when you cover the entire roof with latex or whatever coating, you're also covering this seam, overlapping panel seam. And what happens is that will trap the water. Look, this will trap the water like this. You don't want to cover that because it will trap the water. Look at it. It will trap the water and the water will push up into the roof. You don't want that. So never coat the entire metal roof. Just fix the leaks.
But I want to give another as the update. We missed one screw. Then look at, I peel it right now and look at.
We missed one screw. We never did it. Look at it.
And I was doing it right now because I saw.
We never cleaned that.
I remove it right now. And that's the before we was doing peeling this.
Okay, let's do this one and we show how to do it. Hold on, sir. We have a chance to show you how we do it. So there's a few screws we missed on this roof, and you can see how the rust and water collects around the screw.
Yeah, I should show you, but I remove it before.
Okay, so let's do it. See that? Nice and clean. And then we only have black Super Silicone here. You can see that. We don't have the white one. So we're going to use the black. I use a dab like that. And I dab it over that. And that's it. It works fantastic. You don't have to do much more than that. That is Super Silicone. It works fantastic.
But we don't have that white one, okay?
Yeah, this is the black one. This is fine.